Welcome, my friends. It's Yuri. Type, please. Do you hear me? Do you see me? Because maybe you will not be able to see me, but I am changing my mic. My friends, type into the chat about sound quality. Is it okay? And if it is okay, we can start our weekly market outlook. Also, I will check it on my phone about quality. Salam alaikum. Friends, type into a chat quality of the sound. After that, we will be able to start. If you have a view about gold, why did you came into this stream? If you have a view, just trade it and don't came here. Yes, hi. Friends, type into a chat about quality of the sound, because today I will be about video. Today I will be without video. Hello. Once more, type into a chat about quality of the sound. If quality is good, we will be able to start our weekly market outlook. Okay. Sound is good. We will be able to start. Awesome. Okay, friends, today I will show you my thoughts about gold and oil. Also, we will discuss Bitcoin, what we can do, where would be the best entries, what you can do right now. First, push like, because believe me, it would be useful. Second, share it with your friends. And third, just wait, sit, take your tea, and let's go. Start from today. For a start, I would like to share with you my trading plans, but I think gold and oil will be the most important for all of us today. As you can see here, as you can see on gold is tricky, because as you can see, the price made false breakout. Today gold rose up 200 pips, full ATR, and at this moment dropped down. I think huge possibilities that gold can hit today at least this key level, from which price bounced it so many times. As you can see, take a look. I think it is a minimum goal which gold can hit, and after that, if here would be accurate false breakout, price will continue uprise. Why at this moment gold still bullish? Because as you can see, every low higher. Also, we have accurate key level. It was a triangle. If there would be false breakout, it would be awesome place for big place to accumulate position. And as you can see, global trend up and local trend up. That's why technically, if today gold will hit that area, it would be a good place to open buy. Type into a chat what you think about gold. Maybe you have some questions which you want to clarify. Friends, I see 26 people here and only 2 likes. I think we deserve more. We do all such analysis for free. Right now, push like, at least 10 like. I would like to see it here. Yes, Bitcoin. Yes, we will go to Bitcoin. At this moment, type into a chat about gold. Is it clear? Maybe you need something to clarify. Does the golf man, please clarify your question. The next point, it's about oil. Oil, as you can see, in uptrend from this place, from the bottom, from minus degrees. At this moment on oil, I see this key level. It is a higher body of a pullback. It's really a powerful place, and I do believe that if the price will hit that area, that key level, huge possibility of a drop for at least for that could be even more than 1000 pips. If we will be lucky, and at PC we will be able to open entry with risk like 30 pips, 40 pips, and potential profit, there could be a really potential profit in 10 times bigger. Oil, maybe the best instruments which I see at this moment with possible accurate entry place. Okay. Does the gold will go down to Man, no one knows where gold will be. As a trader, you don't need to guess where it will be. Your goal is to find accurate entry place with low predictable risk. That's your job. Such stuff like, will it be at 8,000? Will it be at 1,800? No one knows. Jimmy Buffett doesn't know it. Warren Buffett doesn't know it, and you don't know it because it's not your job as a trader. Your job as a trader is to manage risks and accurate entry place with low predictable risk. That's all. Period. Type into a chat resistance level in gold above. Where is above? Write exactly price where you can see that resistance level above. Where exactly? Okay, go ahead. Also, we have a second type of oil which calls UK oil, Brent oil. And on Brent oil we have two key places from which, as you can see, price bounced at 2 times, and this higher border of a pullback from which price made powerful down drop. From one of these key levels there could be a powerful down drop. If today the price will hit this key level, possibly there would be even today there could be entry. But if there would be slowly approach to this key level, we will not trade it. It's important to find a sharply approach. As you can see here, when price approach sharply to some key level, after that price drop dramatically. The same could be here. What else? What other questions? Friends, type into the chat all your questions about some instruments. As you can see, we covered gold, oil. Maybe you have something additional what you would like to ask. Right now, just type it. Okay, and the next one, it is about Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Type into the chat what you would like to hear about Bitcoin. Right now, just type. What is important for you to hear about Bitcoin? My friends, I wait for your answers. Maybe I can do something like this. Few seconds. That would be better. I will have all questions here on second screen, and for us it will be better to use it. I'm asking what is the upcoming resistance level for gold. Thank you for your session. About gold, we have 2 key places at this moment, 2 key levels. First one, we have 2 key levels. First one, it is 1722 because price bounced several times from it. As you can see, we can use this key level even from this place. How many times the price bounced from it. And the next one, type into the chat, do you hear me? My friends, type into the chat, do you hear me? My friends, type into the chat, do you hear me or not? Because I don't see feedbacks from you. Good. Okay, good. Once more about gold, we have 2 key places here. Okay, go to Bitcoin, crypto and Bitcoin. About Bitcoin, I think at this moment, if you would take a look, yes, we hear you, good. About Bitcoin, if you would take a look on Bitcoin, you will understand that Bitcoin looks pretty up the same as other instruments. And if you will take a look here on Bitcoin, you can see that we are in this powerful uptrend. We have this key level from which price bounced 2 times. And what you need to understand, everything depends how price will react on this key level. If there would be approach and price will break it up, that would be a good place, a good up signal. Why? Because also if you will take a look on volume, at least at this moment I like this. Why? Because after every drop we have big volume. Take a look here at the down, the biggest volume, here the biggest volume. It's so good for Bitcoin. Why? Because it shows that someone buy it, at least finally we see that someone buy Bitcoin, because I didn't see such picture for many months, and at this moment it's really a good signal. And what can I tell you, if the price will break up this key level, 9,981, that will create a buy signal for Bitcoin, because it would be a closer retest, and that would be something like this. As you can see here, example for you, key level, price approach to key level, and after breakout, powerful up price. The same could happen here. That's why just wait how price will play it out. My friends, type into a chat what questions you have about Bitcoin. What do you need to clarify? Maybe you didn't get something. And also pushed like so many people and only 9 likes. My friends, I think we can make at least 15 or 20 likes. Gold will take a week to break 1,800. And how do you know that gold will take a break for 1 week? How do you know? Tell me please. How do you know? If you really know that it will take a break, what are you doing here? Timing, it is impossible to tell, because you don't know what will be the next. Example here on Bitcoin, price dropped from nearly 8,000 to 3,500 in 1 day, and after that, as you can see, 19 March, and after that 25th of April, and after only 1 month Bitcoin started uprise. And how can you tell that there would be my mom told you? Okay, yeah, okay, you have a good mom. Hello, why your gold time charts are different? Gold went down a lot. What do you mean gold went down a lot? Did you watch my analysis when I told to everyone that gold at that moment rose up full ATR? Only after pullback there could be a possible entry? Did you hear that? Did you watch my analysis? Did you really open this analysis which I recorded today? Where is it? It's here. This analysis, once more. When price, ignore him, once more. This one. That's a homework for you. Right now, what you need to do, you need to push a pause and you need to watch this analysis, and after that you will understand that I told that gold rose up already full ATR. What is ATR? If you don't know, open my YouTube channel and learn what is ATR. No, sorry brother, because I just started to watch you knew. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go to major instruments. Type into your chat what instruments you would like to hear. 1647. Okay, good. If you entered at that place, just hold it, because a huge possibility that we will see at least 1800. Okay, what we will do the next, I will show you my trading plans, what instruments I would like to trade, and also I will tell you about major instruments, and that would be the finish of our stream. First, my trading plans, what I would like to trade on these days. First one, it is Australia, New Zealand, as you can see it here. Why it's so interesting? Because it is a high of November 2019. From this place, price made powerful down drop. Key level, it's really a powerful level. So sad that price today didn't hit it, because I wait for sharp approach. Because as you can see on the chart, in most cases only after sharp approach price change it trend dramatically. I buy at 42 already profit and take a sell already profit too. Man, what do you mean gold at this moment and 1,700? You, thanks for sharing. How about forex? Yes, I will show you about forex. Maybe the most interesting instrument at this moment on a fixed market, it is euro versus British pound. Why? Because we have this accumulation, this cup, price bounced from this instrument so many times, as you can see it here. Price bounced here, 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 and here so many times. Pull back to that key level, and especially if there would be false breakout tomorrow, that would be the best place to open buy entry, even for midterm. It's a powerful midterm place for entry. If that would happen, I would love to trade it. Oil, I just told to every one of you. Silver, it looks like we missed silver, because silver approached sharply to a key level from which price made this powerful down drop. So sad, but false breakout already happened. If there would be accurate pullback, we will be able to open sell today with low predictable risk, because pullback at least into this area to this key level really possible to this key level. Take a look here. Type into a chat, is it clear about what I just told you? Australia, yes, I will do it. Good pair to trade for this month. Man, there is no something like good pair to trade for this month. Always you need to analyze all list of your instruments and wait for accurate entry. I just show you my trading plan. As you can see, my trading plans, it's a list of instruments which I would like to trade so soon on this week, when price will show accurate entry. That's what you need to do. There is no something like I need to trade on this currency pair. It doesn't work like that. The next point here, as you can see, a key level from which price bounced 2 times, pull back, false breakout, accurate sell entry. And British pound Canadian, the same key level. If that would be pulled back, we will open sell entry for continue. Crude oil next coming days. Man, at the beginning of this webinar, I told you about oil and gold. You will be able to see it again when we will finish. Okay, and let's do the major instruments, and after that we will be able to I will answer on some of your questions. About Euro USD, I do not recommend you to trade it at this moment. We open buy with my team today in the morning, but at this moment, what can I tell you? There is no entry at this moment. Why? Because first, the price already rose up full ATR, second price in this horrible range. I do not recommend you to trade Euro USD these days. About British pound USD, huge possibility of a pullback. We have key level here. There would be false breakout tomorrow, possibly accurate entry. British pound, everything looks like British pound will continue down drop, and we will find it at least into 1.17, something like that. When should we sell gold? We should sell gold when gold will show you accurate sell signal. At this moment, gold didn't show accurate sell signal. The most accurate sell signal will be at 1,800. USD Canadian, price in the range. As you can see, this is global range. I do not recommend you to trade this instrument at this moment. Price in a range, better to be out, because it depends on oil completely. Australia, my friends, same instrument in a range. I don't like to trade range. Why? Because it's not understandable why we will be able to make at least 1 to 5. It's hard to take 1 to 5. There is no entry place. New Zealand, after Friday drop, New Zealand came back. If New Zealand daily candle will close above, it would be a false breakout, and that would be a powerful buy signal. What is your strategy for Bitcoin if we surprise can be difficult to get a good entry? Just set buy if price will approach slowly to that key level. I will set buy stop order buy above key level with stop loss 20% off ATR, and will set take profit in 5 times bigger. That's what I will do with Bitcoin if everything will happen. But you need to understand, I teach how to trade breakout strategy on my course, and what you can do right now, you can join my course. You can take below this video a contact and write to my team about education if you want to get really good. My friends, about some of you wrote that you missed like oil prediction, something like that. First more, it is not a prediction, it is analysis, because in some cases I can be wrong. Second, there will be entries. You need to understand, I show you accurate key levels, and after that we wait when price will show accurate signal according to our trading strategy. What is the most important for all of us is to understand how to trade it. If you don't know how to trade key levels, it will be hard for you. That's why right now, if you want to learn how to trade market, how to become a trading wizard, and how to analyze accurate all markets, accurate entry plays, take profits, stop losses, write to my team, contacts below this video, and I just sent you into a chat. Hello Yuri, I like the way you approach the market. Do you offer mentorship? Yes, I offer mentorship face to face, and also we recorded a course. Below this video you will find a contact of my team. Right now, write to them and ask about education, and I will help you to trade awesome. Also, I wrote just into a chat contact. Okay, go ahead to all instruments once more. If daily candle will close above, that would be a good buy signal. Why? Because after this down drop, price didn't continue down drop and came back to this key level. As you can see, key level by paranormal candle, and as you can see also here, price bounced from it. The next instrument, USD versus Swiss franc. Price completely in a range. Only when price will break it out, there would be some entries. This moment there is nothing to do, just breakout method. I teach students how to trade 3 ways: breakout, bounce, and false breakout. You will be able to choose what will be the best for you. To be honest, I trade mostly false breakout, and also like false breakout 70%, and rest of them nearly 15% entries according to breakout and bounce strategy. Yes, breakout, all rules, entry plays, stop loss, take profits, volume, how to increase volume, all of that you will get when you will join our course. The next point, USD Japanese yen. My friends, USD Japanese yen bounced from this key level, and today the price already rose up full ATR. At this moment there is no entry, but about that entry I sent on my trading new page. You can open my trading new page, and on Friday or Thursday we wrote about USD Japanese yen, and as you can see, you can watch it at this moment into a chart. That's why right now, what can I tell you? At this moment about USD Japanese yen, there is nothing to do, because as you can see, 15 May on Friday there were entry. At this moment, friends, just say bye-bye to Japanese yen, because price rose up 50 pips from entry place. What will be the next to us? Euro British pound, I told you about key level. British pound, Japanese yen. To be honest, nothing accurate and interesting. And Euro Japanese yen, oh my god. Price rose up, but we don't have accurate key level where we will be able to open entries. That's why better to be out. And that's all. And once more about UK oil, I told to every one of you, we have 2 key levels. From one of those key levels there could be powerful sell entry, because still oil demand globally didn't came back to before coronavirus areas. That's why still people don't supply enough oil. You proposed 2 entry levels for gold app. We went a bit lower than today. Looking at the chart, and you still think we reach. Man, I do not know will we reach or not. As a trader, what you need to do, take a look. How you approach your trading. You have a list of instruments which you would like to trade. After that, you analyze key places where you will open entry, and you need to have a list of instruments which you will trade. And after that, you wait. Some of them will show you entry, some of them not. That's all. You don't know will price hit that level or not. No one knows. And you don't need to know, because your job is to find a key place where you will be able to open accurate entry with low and predictable risk. That's all, my friends. That's all. Type into a chat what instruments also you would like me to analyze, because if there is no instruments, we will finish our stream. Also, right now, subscribe on our YouTube channel, because take a look. I would like to share with you how many videos we recorded lives. Every week, every Monday we have a live stream. Also, we have best markets for freshers, how to stop fear, where better to trade crypto, 5 steps how to make money. All different topics. We recorded so many accurate lessons, and at this moment I recommend you right now subscribe on our YouTube channel, because there will be far more, and you will get notification about all these lessons. ATH USD, ATH versus USD, ATH USDT. Okay, let's take Binance. Okay, we will take a look. Very good. Awesome. My man, you need to understand about Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies. When you will take on ATH, on Ripple, you'll understand that all of them just move after Bitcoin. ATH is the same. Bitcoin made up price, and ATH also will make up price. What can I tell you? You need just to follow Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will break up that key level, Ethereum will continue uprise. The same will be with all crypto, because if you will take a look here, take a look. I would like to show it to you. After that, you will understand it completely. We have Bitcoin, and after that, Ethereum. As you can see, when Bitcoin started down drop, you can see that when Bitcoin started down drop, Ethereum also started down drop. When Bitcoin hit bottom, all of them also started uprise. When Bitcoin made this down drop, all of them dropped. When Bitcoin rose up, all of them also rose up. And what you need to understand, all market completely depend on Bitcoin, and it's the same like when you trade stock market. You always need to find stocks which are independent, because if you trade S&P and they follow S&P, it's not interesting, because S&P will change, will do something, and you will get your stop loss. What this is huge correlation instruments, because some instruments has huge correlation, like more than 80%, 90%, and in that cases, if you when you open entry on all of them, you just multiply your risk. That's all what you do. That's why, once more, pay attention to Bitcoin, because it will show you the way. Friends, right now push like, only 17 likes. If you think it's useful for you right now, push like. And what else I would like to tell you? Also, my friends, once more, many of you struggle to learn how to trade. Many of you do not know how to place entry points. Many of you will have huge problems with your trading, and I would like to share with you examples what can happen with you if you will not know how to trade properly. Take a look here. It's example of one trader. He wrote to me a few weeks ago, and he blew out 200k. Another example, Mohammed. Another example. I always will show you such examples, and it's a reason why you need to study, why you need to learn how to trade, because many of you believe that you will master the market and everything will go on without efforts. But once more, my friends, You need to learn step by step how to trade, how to choose good broker, how to choose good strategy, where to open, how to increase volume. All that points are important, and believe me, you will spend a lot of money if you will do it alone. I personally wasted first 3 years, and you can do it far more faster. You can learn how to trade far more faster, maybe in 10 times. At this moment, what I recommend you right now, write to my team and ask about education. Just save you few years of your life and thousands of USD. Believe me, it would be a game changing for you. Also, friends, type into a chat. Maybe you have some questions in this moment. If not, we will finish. I wait for your questions. Are you posting for scalping? My friends, your questions. I wait at least 20 seconds. A mini S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500. S&P 500. Did you see what S&P 500 made today? Plus 3%. Plus 3%. Oh my god. S&P 500, it's completely tricky. Why? Because if you will take a look on fundamental reason, there is no fundamental reason why it will continue uprise. Because fundamental reason, 20 million, nearly 20 million people lost their jobs, global slowdown, shutdown, coronavirus, all that points. But because of Fed print a lot of money, it rise up. Trump will not let it drop, will make real low because he won't real that. That's why at this moment Fed print a lot of money, and I don't like to play this game because I don't understand this moves. That's all. Gold. Now, what information do you track about your trades? About my trades, it's important to track everything what you have according to your trading strategy. Example for you, my entries. A few seconds. Example for you of some of my entries. When you track your trades, it's important to have information which will help you analyze it in the future and help you trade better in the future. That's why once more, some problems with the internet. If you will get in, I will show you. And that's all. Some problems. Wait. March. Okay. If you would take a look on my examples, as you can see, it's important to write everything what you do according to your trading strategy. As you know, I trade key levels. I wrote what type of key level, reason why I open entry, where did I close it, where did I set stop loss, what was the ATR, everything according to my rules. First you need to have a strategy, rules, step-by-step plan. Only after that you will be able to write all these points properly. That's all. I teach my students how to do it properly. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. Have a good gold. What time frame are you using? I always using multi-time frame analysis. First I build key levels on higher time frame, and when I open entry I wait for accurate on 1 hour 30 minutes for accurate signals. Always multi-time frame analysis. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. Have a good trading, my dear friends. Be wise. At least what you need to do right now after this stream, open my YouTube and take a look on free lessons if you don't have money on course, because it will help you trade completely different. Because many of you after that write to me with your problems, and my friends, if you don't have a foundation, nothing will help you in trading. At least you need to build a foundation. You need to understand how all the points works. Only after that you'll be able step by step achieve your goal. That's why do it. Just do it. And for those who want to do it really fast and awesome, write to my team and ask about education. I'll help you to become a wizard. Have a good day. Bye.